What a 2020. All along I thought Corona was just a lager beer. But what is me here? It have the world in a fear. You better mass up or no come near. We did mean already and I know we was. Nah go share. No matter who you be, we no care. Everything depend lockdown. Everything come to a big halt. And everybody has say Mr. Chin fall cause they mix the rat bat with the malt. But wait, me think say everything from China did fake. So how this so real? Them import this one without taxes and now the whole world a feel. To rock of ages, like wildfire this thing has spread by a queen, thousands are dead. But hold on a second there. I saw me know say something better than bad man. Cause they touch Jamaica land and the first for the year, them never murder no one. Jamaica is not a real place. You don't have to ask it. Them say no money no there, then how them find it so quick? In a less than a day, them buy out pharmacies and supermarket. No rubbing alcohol, no hand sanitizer. Worst of all, me sorry for you if you want. Shh. No state of emergency can call again, no doubt. Cause that wore out. So them catch the new catchphrases. Social distancing or turning your damn house. This, my granddad talk about growing up. This is what it really means when them say, look but don't touch. Come to think of it, it's like a savior. You know it help we to stop the prostitute behavior. And the first in our history, we don't want to see no farmer foreigner. Them can stay with them there and just send on the money. It's not funny, but places under quarantine and people are dead for hungry. Put fun and joke aside, it's serious. And you know why? If you no want to die, guess who? You have a power with the crew of me, myself, and I. We have a bro like a God who is trying. Cause him no want people who have never died before to start dying. Just ask the president of the USA if you think I'm lying. We know it's dread, but we have to look ahead. After a storm, there must be a calm. With that said, the chaos is vivid, but we no pray this. First, it was just a little light beer, but now them change it. Like some covert operation, something secret. Maybe there is more behind it. And that's why them call it COVID.